Well, I'm just taking a little video here. I'm actually at a sawmill. I cut a whole bunch of pine and I bagged up all the sawdust. So I've been loading the sawdust onto the wagon here. And plus I got my chainsaw and gas and oil and my PV and different things here. There's quite a few bags, so I'm just going to get these all loaded on the wagon here, take them over to the horse barn. I was using, or I am using Vega here and Dottie on the off side. They're just standing here chilling at the log deck. So anyways, quick little video, see what I'm doing with the horses these days. Just odd jobs right now. Hauling some moving junk around essentially. So I just dropped off the sawdust at the barn and I'm heading back to drop off the wagon back in the place where I keep it at the other farm. So we're just driving back. Empty wagon. Horses think they want to go up the neighbor's driveway. We'll have to nip that in the bud. Anyways, the wagon's all empty. I got just the saw and gas and oil and the TV here. So, and they think they want to get a mouthful of grapevines and grape leaves. They seem to like the grape leaves. So, anyways, I'm just going to take this wagon over and park it, and then I'm going to bring the horses back, feed them their supper time oats, and then I'm going to go and get my supper. That'll be it for today. Over and out.